Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial video. It's going to be a super quick one today. I'm going to show you a really cool trick how to create a shape with an image in it. So to do this, all you need to do is go to the insert bar up here or insert on your tab and select the shape that you want to add an image in. So once you do that, put your shape. In this case, I'm going to put a circle. Once you've drawn that circle, click on Format Pane up here. And in Fill, as usual, you can go and change your colors and the line or have no line. And this is where you can add your picture or texture to fill. So to insert the picture, select this picture or texture fill and just click on File here. Then select your photo and voila! It fills the shape. This is great for when you're creating workbooks or presentations or certain documents for people to be interactive with. And basically you can do it with any shape you like. So again, to do that, insert, shapes, select a shape. In this case, I'm going to do a star. Sometimes it might not fill properly, so you might need to choose a different image. In this case, I'm going to do something like that. So there you go, that's how you fill a shape with an image. If you liked this video, don't forget to give us the thumbs up below, and please feel free to hit subscribe so that you can be notified next week of our next video. Look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.